Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best body lotion for winter. There are lots of options out there, but in this review, I'll be focusing on the top 5 best body lotion for winter. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1, Lubriderm Advanced Moisture Therapy Moisturizing Cream Fragrance-Free Body Lotion. Lubriderm Advanced Moisture Therapy Moisturizing Lotion intensely hydrates extra dry skin for 24 hours. The fragrance-free lotion is enriched with skin essential lipids to provide long-lasting moisturization with a clean, non-greasy feel. For the best results, use the Lubriderm Advanced Moisture Therapy Moisturizing Lotion daily. Developed by dermatologists and ideal for very dry skin, this long-lasting daily moisturizer is fragrance-free and paraben-free. Lubriderm Advanced Moisture Therapy Moisturizing Lotion is clinically shown to improve the moisture barrier of extra dry skin. This long-lasting moisturizing lotion moisturizer for extra dry skin has a clean, comfortable, and non-greasy feel for 24 hours. Intensely hydrate and replenish your dry skin for 24 hours with Lubriderm Advanced Moisture Therapy Moisturizing Lotion. Overall, Lubriderm Advanced Therapy Fragrance-Free Daily Moisturizing Lotion Plus Pro. Ceramide is a lotion that is worth trying if you're looking for a fragrance-free, non-greasy formula that hydrates your skin for a long time and makes it seem healthier. Number 2, EUCERIN Complete Repair Moisturizing Lotion. EUCERIN Complete Repair Moisturizing Lotion locks in moisture and helps to strengthen the skin's natural barrier for skin that feels softer and smoother for 48 hours. A highly effective formula recommended by dermatologists for dry skin. Developed to treat dry, flaky, and tight skin. Non-greasy, non-comedogenic, and fast-absorbing moisturizing lotion for healthy-looking skin. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and hypoallergenic formula. Urea and natural moisturizing factors bind moisture to hydrate the upper layers of the skin, leaving it feeling smooth and soft. Ceramide 3 replenishes the skin's natural moisture barrier to prevent moisture loss due to evaporation. Glycerol glucoside supports the skin's moisture barrier. Number 3, an NIVEA Intense Healing Body Lotion. NIVEA Intense Healing Body Lotion is a great option if you're looking for a body lotion that hydrates and deeply nourishes dry skin. This lotion deeply nourishes and moisturizes dry, rough skin after just one application. The NIVEA Deep Nourishing Serum and Provitamin B5 in this lotion provide deep nourishing moisture that lasts for up to 72 hours. NIVEA Intense Healing Body provides intense hydration to even the driest skin. The formula is thick and takes a few minutes to absorb, but the results are worth it. The lotion can also be used as a hand or foot cream. Overall, an NIVEA Intense Healing Body Lotion for anyone with dry, rough skin looking for a deeply nourishing and moisturizing lotion. Number 4, Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Body Lotion. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion is a perfect choice if you're looking for a body lotion that hydrates and nourishes your skin on a regular basis. This lotion is specially formulated for extra dry skin and contains a prebiotic oat formula that soothes and nourishes dry skin, leaving it soft, beautiful, and healthy looking. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is clinically proven to improve the health of dry skin in 1 day, with significant improvement in 2 weeks. Formulated with active naturals, colloidal oatmeal, and rich emollients, it helps prevent and protect dry skin for a full 24 hours. This lotion leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and naturally healthy looking and is gentle enough for everyday use. It's also fragrance-free, non-greasy, and non-comedogenic. Its ability to keep our skin hydrated and soft throughout the day. The lotion is easy to apply and absorbs quickly, without leaving any greasy residue. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion for anyone looking for a gentle, fragrance-free lotion that provides long-lasting hydration for dry skin. It's a great addition to any skincare routine and is perfect for daily use. Number 5. Jergens Ultra Healing Dry Skin Moisturizer. Jergens Moisturizing Lotion provides effective, dermatologist-recommended long-lasting dry skin relief. This lotion is worth checking out if you're looking for a dependable moisturizer that will help repair extremely dry skin. This lotion helps to improve skin's appearance and texture, making it look visibly healthier over time. Absorbs into extra dry skin, including typically rough spots like heels, elbows, and knees. Penetrates 5 layers of skin and reduces dryness at the source. It really does help to moisturize and heal dry skin. The lotion absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy or oily residue, which is a big plus. It's formulated with quality ingredients, including a unique hydrolysance blend and vitamin C, E, and B5. Jergens Ultra Healing Dry Skin Moisturizer is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and effective lotion for dry skin. With continual use, it can help to improve the appearance and texture of your skin, leaving it looking and feeling healthier. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.